Today we are making sweet and aromatic Malai Jarda. Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. I am Nahida with you. Let's start. First, preparing the Jarda rice. Take 1 cup Polao rice, soak it for 15 minutes and wash well. Use aromatic basmati or Polao rice for the best texture. Malai Jarda is a Mughlai royal dessert, often served at grand feast. In a pan, boil some water and add some orange peel for fragrance. The dish is also known as Shahi Jarda because of its luxurious texture. 1/4 teaspoon yellow food color for a vibrant look. Add the washed rice and boil for 5 minutes. The sugar and rice provide a quick source of energy. Cook until 80% done. Do not overcook the rice to avoid it becoming mushy. Then strain the water and set aside. Now preparing the syrup and cooking the rice. Heat 1/4 cup ghee in a pan. Add 3 cardamoms, 5 to 6 cloves and 1 bay leaf. Stir until aromatic. Add 3/4 cup of sugar and half cup of water. Then cook for 2 minutes until the sugar dissolves. The ghee and spices help improve gut health. Add the cooked rice and mix well. Cooking on low heat allows the flavor to blend perfectly. Add 1 tablespoon almond, 1 tablespoon pistachio, 1 tablespoon cashew nut, 3 tablespoon ashgourd or pitha, 1 tablespoon raisin, and 3 tablespoon orange juice. Orange juice enhances the flavor and adds citrusy twist. Cover and cook on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Pitha or ashgourd is a unique ingredient that adds a chewy caramelized taste. Now making the malai. Heat 1 teaspoon ghee in a separate pan. Add 1 cup milk and half cup milk powder. Mix well. Stir malai continuously to prevent it from sticking to the pan. Add 2 tablespoons condensed milk for a rich texture. Cook on low heat, stirring continuously for 5 minutes. Rich in calcium, malai and milk powder support strong bones. Malai is ready. A royal twist on traditional sweet rice with creamy malai, perfect dessert for Eid, festival or any family party. Now assembling the Malai Jarda. Spread a layer of Jarda rice in a serving dish. Pour the creamy malai over the rice. The addition of malai makes it even richer than traditional Jarda. Let the Jarda rest for a few minutes before serving for enhanced flavor. Garnish with mini sweets or additional nuts for an extra festive touch. Have you ever tried Malai Jarda before? Let me know in the comments. Love rich and royal dessert? Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious and easy sweet recipes.